middle, there's like a, sorry, I'm like blowing at y'all, but there's like a leaf in my thing. Alright, so this is behind the scenes look of Agents of War. So right now we're shooting a scene where we throw a tomahawk. So we're just gonna have some fun and throw this thing. Yeah. So you get the video, you're gonna get.
Can I throw it first?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it first. Okay. So, all right, you hold that. All right. Ready? That's my Scottish. That's ready. All right. So that's the next one's gonna be. Fail. Alright, Garrett's turn. Garrett, go get that thing. Your turn. Okay, so we got in a little bit of trouble. For throwing that. We still got the video, so it's okay. But no one got hurt in the film of making this. Just so everybody know. Yeah, he did. He got like bloody up and everything. So anyway, we'll keep you in touch. We should have this later, but anyway. Yep.
You want to start filming like the gun weapon?
Yeah, dude. Spoiler alert, we're going to be shooting the gun weapons now. Look at this. Alright, see y'all later. Say bye. Say bye.
I mean,
bye.